fall day, and little Up and little Audrey were playing in the leaves. Okay, let's see who can jump the biggest. All right, let's do it. Here we go. Geronimo. Psh, Geronimo. Psh. Oh, hi there. Do you want to jump in the leaves with us? Oh, no, that's okay. I'll just watch. Oh, okay. Let's do it again. All right, here we go. Ready? Geronimo. Psh. Geronimo. Oh, that's fun. Hey, let's switch piles. All right. Ready, set, go. Psh, psh. Oh, hi. You want to play? Oh, no, I'll just watch. Okay. Let's do it again. I gotta go. I'll do it later this afternoon, but thanks for inviting me. Okay, Up. Talk to you later. All right, then. And Up went home. Can I ask you your name? My name is Audrey. Yeah, my name is Lucy. Oh, are you new here? Yeah, we moved in last week. Oh, well, why don't we play together? Okay, let's jump in the leaves. Come and jump in my pile. Geronimo! That's fun. Yeah, let's try it again. Geronimo! Oh, that's so much fun. Yeah, let's jump in this pile. They played all afternoon, but Audrey noticed that Lucy looked a little sad. You look a little sad, Lucy. Is there something I can help you with? Well, I like your hair bow. It looks so pretty on you. I wish I had a hair bow. Oh, Lucy, I can make you one. Let me go and get my hair bow supplies. All right, I'll be right back. Lucy came back with her big bag of hair bow supplies. I've got my bag right here. We can sit down and I'll show you how to make them, and I'll be happy to make you some. Oh, wow, thank you. And so the two squirrels sat down to make hair bows. And so little Audrey put her stuff on the ground to show little Lucy how to make a hair bow. Okay, now I have this pink fabric and this is my model. So I usually just put that on top of here, line it up, get my scissors out, and then I cut around it. Okay, like that. So now I can make two hair bows out of that. And then I cut like a long strip. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you can take the middle and you squish it up like that. And then you take the long strip and you wrap it around. And then you tie it in a knot in the back. And then you trim off the edges. And we're almost done. There you go. There's your hair bow. And then you take your little clip like this and you stick it in the back. And then you use that and you just clip it on your hair. Yeah, there you go. That will be yours. And so the two girls both had hair bows. How do I look? Oh, you look great. Let's jump in the leaves with our hair bows. Okay. And so they jumped in the piles. It's so much fun. Audrey had made a new friend that day. It was great to have a new friend. Geronimo, let's go in this one. This is so much fun. Thank you for my hair bow. And thank you for being my friend. And the two friends had fun all afternoon. Hello there. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our story. I'm going to go over our squirrels. A for apple, A for acorn, and little A for Audrey. And Audrey, She's the one we're talking about today. She makes hair bows. And in our story, she made a hair bow for her friend Lucy. Okay, so we'll do away with those two, and we'll bring Lucy on. Here's Lucy. And Lucy learned how to make a hair bow too. Okay, so after they made hair bows, they jumped in the leaves, and they had lots of fun. Okay, so our letter for the day is our third A, which says Aw for Audrey, and it's got a hair bow on it as a reminder. So every time you see this letter A with a hair bow, you know it's Aw for Audrey. And I'm going to stick it in a word. Okay, zoom in, please. Okay, so we have a aw, and we have two O's, which you have double letters but one sound, just O. All in the fall, you can jump in the leaves, and that's what they were doing, is jumping in the leaves. Oh yes, fall leaves, fall, 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 lots of leaves. Okay, I'm getting lots of leaves here. Okay, yes, fall. Oh, hello there. So guess what? In the fall, I like to eat oatmeal. Oh, it's so yummy. Yes, so here, my assistant brings me an oatmeal. Thank you. I'm going to give it a try. Oh, it needs some salt. Okay, so we're going to add a little salt. Okay, and we're going to spell it. All right, take away this. Salt. That's what I'm adding. Okay, now I'm going to give it a try. Oh dear. It's too salt. E for eagle. It's too salty. Oh dear. No, I don't like it too salty. Okay, guys, so I've got a combination here. We've got aw, and this W in gray. Shh, doesn't say anything. This is just a two-letter, one sound, just aw. Okay, so this combo is in a lot of fun words. All right, guess what I have behind me? I've got my cozy tent. I'm going to go camping, but what I don't want is a paw to come and get me. Okay, so I'm going to put this down here, assistant. We just need a paw. There you go. Can you see it? Paw. Ah, paw. I don't want a paw to get me because, that's never good to have a paw. A paw! Help! A paw! Hi, guys. It's me, Jerome, and it's time for letter art. Oh, yeah, my favorite. Okay, so we are going over the third letter A, which there's a hair bow. Remember, aw for Audrey. So it says aw, okay? All right, we are going to start drawing. All right, so get a dark marker, please. And here we go. Okay, first I'm going to have you draw a diagonal line right to there. Not too long. Okay, stop. Good. You're going to go zigzag and stop. Good. You're going to do a little curve here. We're making like a pencil. And then connect it. Okay, now we're going to make like a point, like a pencil. Okay, and then you do a little curve. Okay, now we're going to put a little ending here. We're going to make like short colored pencils. Okay, so we're going to draw a line, another curve. Okay, and we're going to draw some lines inside here where those little points are. Yep, all the way down to here. And right there. There you go. Now you can kind of see it. Okay, zoom in a little bit. Okay, now we're going to draw another one, but we're going to skip lines, okay? Zoom in again. Move this up a bit. Okay, zoom in. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're going to draw one underneath. So we're going to go draw here, jump over, right there. Okay, let's draw the other side. They're about the same thickness, so keep it about the same as this. Jump over. Okay, now do the zigzag like you did over there. Okay, and then a point and a curve. And maybe touch that up a little bit. Okay, and a little curve here. Okay, move it up a pinch. And then you're going to do the same you did before. Line, line, and a curve. Okay, and you're going to draw a line here, skip. And line here and skip. Good. Okay, and then let's do maybe one more. And we'll put it kind of out here loose. Okay, zigzag. Curve. Okay, go down. And it's hidden underneath there. And then there's just part of a curve. Okay, and then you got your lines in there. Okay, don't forget the point. And the curve. Okay, nice. Okay, so we've got 3 of those. All right, zoom out a little bit. Okay, we're going to get some colored markers. And we're going to, you can color in whatever you want. I'm going to do orange here. Maybe color in some orange over here. And then I'm going to do a little line like that. Okay, and then get another color. Okay, maybe blue here. Okay, now don't color the third one in yet. We're going to write draw. Okay, here we go. We're going to do a duh. And a r. Okay. The third A for Audrey. Okay, and then we're going to put that silent W. Okay, you can underline it. It's 2 letters, but 1 sound. Okay, now we're going to color that pink because Audrey likes pink hair bows. So we'll code it. There we go. And then if you want, since you got a pink marker, you can just do this, or you can switch it to red. Okay, and then go ahead and get the blue marker again. And then you're going to attach it to your W. So it looks like you wrote it with the blue crayon. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, guys. Draw. Ta-da! And don't forget our list.